Alright guys, welcome back. So I just pick up this AC manifold gauge set R134A at Autozone. So I just want to show you what's inside of it, guys. Let me open it. Maybe I turned it wrong. Alright, so these are the things that comes in it. So I've got this valve right here. So this one, you can see right here, guys. It's pretty solid and genuine. This is the cage. It feels pretty sturdy, guys. You can see, notice the case it comes in. It's really solid. And this is the manual right here. So these are the hose. Some pretty good solid hose, guys. Alright. So this one go to the blue hose. This one go right here. That's for that one right here, and this one go to the red. So for the high and low pressure side on the AC system. So that's how it connect right there, and these lines goes to this piece right here. And that's it, guys. So you have one end go to the tank. You're gonna need an adapter to connect it to the tank. I already have that piece that goes to the hose. I'm gonna go to this yellow one right here. I already got one to attach to it. So that's it right here for now, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.